So welcome back everyone. There's probably one more thing we need to do before we can go ahead to like calculate the results and then generate results. Okay. We need to configure the term date settings. So if we try to calculate the result now, for just SS1 because we've not inserted results for the other classes, you're gonna see that it failed. There was an interruption. So term date settings are yet to be configured. Now term date settings are like, okay, when does this term begin? When does it end? Those information, because they appear in the result sheets as well. So if we come to settings, term date settings, here we can choose, what this term. We're going to assume that's in the future for now. We're going to say Monday, September 2nd, and then it ends on December, I don't know, December 13th, and then the term begins on January 6th. Okay, we're going to save this. So hopefully now we should be able to calculate the result. So let us select the SS1, the begin calculation. Oh, wait. Apparently there is still something missing. Okay, calculating result failed. 3 assessment entries missing, including assignments for chemistry. Oh, okay. Let's verify that. Let's verify chemistry. So for chemistry, did we... Oh, apparently number 20 was not there as well. So we're missing that for chemistry. Okay. So let's go insert the score for chemistry. So we select chemistry, and yeah, the system was right. So let's insert something. So I'm just gonna say 6 8, and then maybe I'm just going to say 63. Okay. The system is not going to allow you to insert something greater than what the maximum is, even when inserting using the Excel sheet. It's not going to let you, it's going to inform you of the error, and based on your settings, it's either it skips it or it terminates, on error discovery. So we've been able to provide that, so I'm hoping that there is no other error anymore. Okay, now this is getting serious. Economics. Let's verify that. I knew that there were some, missing, but I didn't know that I made it this much. Economics. Okay. Economics seems to be missing as well. I think I should go through and see how many 19s there are. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, so there were 4 in total, and we've been able to do 3. So I'm hoping that this is the last. Economics. Okay. Economics. All right, so let's do this. Let's do 5, 4, 4, and let's just say 41, and save this. Come on, don't do this anymore. Okay. All right, that seemed to have worked out. So I'm going to generate this result. I'm going to print the class result. Now I've not registered this application. It's only going to allow me to generate for the very first student. And I'm going to save this to my desktop. And I'm going to call this test result sheet. Now, We did not pick any design, so it's going to use the first design. Let me go to my desktop. I don't have Adobe, Adobe, Acrobat Reader installed on my system, so it's going to open on my browser. So, as you can see, it only shows the very first student. We have not configured, remark settings, so the teacher's comments did not show up. We did not also do ratings, so that did not show up as well. Okay, now what we're gonna do in the next video is to talk about, working on the report card designs, and then, using some other design to generate this report. All right, thank you so much for watching this video, and see you in the next.